So here's the myth of the perfect offer and why you are gonna go broke chasing it. Now, you've probably caught yourself chasing the perfect offer, the one with high commissions, hot leads, and easy closes. After closing $10 million in B2B tech sales, here's what I've learned. The perfect offer, it doesn't exist. And if you spend your career hunting it, you're gonna be broke or burned out. But there is a smarter way. It's the same strategy that top sellers use to multiply their income and to build stability without relying on just one offer. Here's why the perfect offer feels so tempting. We think if we find the right product, then everything else gets easier. The reality, offers are always changing. Founders pivot, funnels break, products lose traction, seasons shift. And if 100% of your income depends on one offer, your income shifts with it. And that is why so many talented sellers burn out. They hop from one offer to another, thinking the next offer will finally be the one. But all that hopping means restarting pipeline, relearning scripts, reviewing different objectives, handling them again and again and again, and waiting in some cases months for momentum to build again. Even billion-dollar companies don't bet everything on one lane. They diversify, and so should you. So why do sellers keep falling into this trap? Well, there's really two reasons. The first is shiny object syndrome, essentially the belief that there will always be a better offer out there. The second reason is lack of systems. Without a repeatable pipeline, every slow month feels like it's the offer's fault. And the result? You never compound. You just keep restarting over and over and over again. So here's the shift. Stop hunting for one perfect offer and start to build a portfolio. You can think of it like investing. No serious investor puts all of their future, all of their investment into one stock. They diversify across assets to manage risk and maximize upside. And this is exactly what we do inside the Closer Factory, my free community where ambitious sellers role-play objections, share templates, and learn frameworks like the 3-lane portfolio. So if you want to stop chasing perfect and start chasing scalable income, the link is below. So the 3-lane portfolio framework goes like this. High ticket is all about your big wins, authority positioning. Mid-ticket is steady, reliable streams. And affiliate sales, well, that's all about recurring income with minimal effort. So when high ticket slows, mid-ticket carries you. And when mid-ticket feels light, affiliate fills the gap. Together, they protect your income and they create stability. It's not about chasing the best offer. It's about building the best system. So let's make this real. Here's a hypothetical seller scenario. Imagine that you are selling a high-ticket coaching program. Imagine that you go 3 months without a single close. If that's your only offer, then you are in trouble. But if you have layered in, let's say, a $997 mid-ticket offer and a simple affiliate stream, you're still building a steady income stream while waiting for the high-ticket offer to rebound. Let's talk about a market example. Let's take Apple. If iPhone sales slow down in a quarter, they're still making billions on AirPods, iPads, subscriptions, and services. They don't rely on one offer, and neither should you. The point is simple. Income stability doesn't come from chasing one offer. It comes from stacking streams to support each other. So here's the takeaway. The perfect offer, well, that's a myth. Top sellers don't need perfection. They need to be prepared. They build systems that pay across multiple lanes, so they never panic when one dries up. Because a career in sales isn't built by chasing perfection. It's built by compounding. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to design your first sales portfolio step by step so you can protect your income and multiply your earning power.